2 years ago, almost to the day, KFC changed the world. Well, at least it changed my eating habits for that day. Now, they brought out a product, a $6.95 giant snack pack that was fully loaded with heaps of stuff. And, well, they brought it back out, and the price is still $6.95. But will it weigh the same? Will it have the same amount of chicken nuggets in it? Well, we're about to find that out today. My name's Greg, and I eat KFC. Let's go. This is the KFC Dukey used to work at. It's got a drive-through. So let's use it.
How can I get to you?
Can I get a giant snack pack, please?
Yep. Anything else?
That's all today?
Did you want to add a canned drink on for $1.50?
Ooh. Sure, why not? I'll get a cola, whatever cola you have.
Pepsi or Pepsi Max?
Pepsi.
Pepsi? Perfect. Just $8.45 drive to the first window, thanks.
Awesome, thanks mate. $1.50 for a soft drink, may as well. I'll definitely be adding something to it. Pepsi sounds like a good mixer to me. Right, now, where's my wallet? Because I need a receipt.
There you are, yeah.
Hi, good thanks.
So I just got the giant snack pack for the drink.
Yep.
At $8.45. Just on card?
Yes, thanks. I'll grab the receipt too, thanks.
All good. There's your drink, and I'll just get the receipt for you.
Awesome, thank you.
When it decides to print.
No worries.
There we go.
Great, thank you very
Have
much.
a good one.
Do I just go to a next one? Okay. Alright, so it's still $6.45. No, $6.95 for the giant snack pack, which was the same price 2 years ago. Why can't all places be like that? Oh, that's right. The government. Alright. Put my receipt away. Come in very handy come tax time. Very handy indeed. Oh yeah.
Is that one for you?
Awesome. Thank you very much. Cheers. Alright, well here we go. The giant snack pack. It's got a little bit of weight about it. I can't wait to chuck it on the scales. Now, my last snack pack weighed about 460 grams, but it was in a bag with packaging. So I would say it would have been around the 430 gram mark. Well, let's see how much this one weighs. Oh, 390 minus the box. Gee. You're probably looking at around the 370 gram mark for this. So it's a little bit lighter, which is understandable, even though I don't really like that. But the last box had 6 nuggets. Will this have 6? Let's prepare to be disappointed. Ooh, or elated. La da 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 da. Ah, all right. Well, this one's got lots of chips on top, and we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 nuggets, and down the bottom a little bit of popcorn chicken. Now the last box I had was had way more popcorn chicken, but it did have 6 nuggets, and well, I mean, what do you expect? I mean, KFC charges $7.95 just for 6 nuggets on their own. So you are getting a lot of extra stuff for $1 less. So Suppose we can't really complain, can we? Although, don't you worry, I'll try to. Now, these chips. They actually look and feel like they could have been cooked properly. Who am I kidding? They're probably going to be soggy. Oh, they're beautifully seasoned. Slightly soggy. But the amount of salt on them, oh. Why can't KFC always put that much salt on their chips? These are some of the best tasting chips going around. And it also comes with nuggets. Even these look like they've got a generous amount of salt on them. Looks like I hit the jackpot for salt today. Yes. Oh, mate, the coating on this actually tastes like KFC. Usually it's just this floury, gunky mess or nothing. But this today, I can taste the 11 herbs and spices. They're not secret anymore. Oh, this is good. Wow. Now, it does come with popcorn chicken. And I have had issues with their popcorn chicken in the past. It doesn't even taste like KFC half the time. If they fix their nugget issue, maybe they've fixed the issue with their popcorn chicken too. Not quite. I reckon there's probably 8 herbs and spices in there. Not quite the 11. But they are tasting all right. I do like a popcorn chicken. Oh, yeah. I just wish there was more. Anyway, there's the $6.95 giant snack box. I wonder what score I'll give it out of 10. Well, $6.95 for 6 nuggets, chips and some popcorn chicken. With the weight of around the 370 gram mark, mate, that's half the price of a burger that weighs 300 grams. Value-wise, it's terrific. Flavour-wise, well, the chips today, they were really tasty. Lots of salt on them and boy, were they good. Slightly crispy, could have been crispier, but lots of people like them soggy for some reason. The nuggets, well, the nuggets were some of the best I've had, actually. I don't know if they've changed their recipe to make them taste like KFC, but if they have, it's about time! And the popcorn chicken, well, I mean, they taste all right, don't they? A little bit to be desired, but at least it's like a full coating of what is apparently KFC, minus a couple of herbs, it seems, but they still tasted all right, and, well, for $6.95, you're getting a really decent feed. So for my all over value, all over flavour, all over taste, all over everything score, for the $6.95 snack box from KFC, mate, 2 years ago I gave it a 10. This time around, though, I think it only deserves a... $10 out of 10. Mate, it's great value. It's KFC. You're getting everything you need, and if you want a drink, an extra, $1.50 for a drink. $8.45, you're getting a whole feed. Sure! Might contribute to some sort of heart disease or diabetes, but still, delicious, great feed. It'll fill you up, probably make you feel a little bit sick later on, but who cares? That's what eating KFC and fast food's all about, isn't it? It's convenient, it's tasty, and 100% I'll be coming back again tomorrow. Except I won't be because I'll be eating something else. But if I wasn't, this is what I'd be coming back for. Will you be heading into KFC to get the giant snack box? I'd put money on it that you will. And if you do go, tell them Greg sent you. Pretty sure they won't have a clue, but if they do, make sure you give them the secret Greg's Kitchen sign. Listen, if you made it this far in the video, won't you show us some thumbing love? And if you're not subscribed, why not? It's free to do so. And I'll be helping you save money or spend it wisely. Anyway, I hope this video helps you decide what to try, what to buy, and what to avoid. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time I eat at KFC. See you then.
Oh, mate, this is Greg's Kitchen.